Hi everyone, I'm Ananda Kaplan, a recipe developer and nutritionist for the Anticancer lifestyle program. And this week it is all about tomatoes and their special anti-cancer property called lycopene. So lycopene not only gives these tomatoes their vibrant red color, but it's also a powerful antioxidant that is able to help in the prevention and treatment of prostate cancer. And it does this by really reducing down the overall inflammation in the body, also scavenging for free radicals, and really protecting our DNA from oxidative damage. So to increase the amount of lycopene in a tomato, all you have to do is cook it. And lycopene is also a fat-soluble nutrient, so it's actually better absorbed in the body if it's cooked with a little bit of healthy fat, such as the avocado oil that you see here. So when you cook a tomato for just even 2 minutes, you increase the amount of lycopene by 54%. Now, if you cook a tomato for 30 minutes, you increase that lycopene by 164%. So you may be wondering now, how do I cook some tomatoes and make them taste delicious? Well, we have you covered. This week under the Cooking with Ananda section, we are featuring our flavor-packed garlic and herb roasted tomato, zucchini, and onion recipe. And when you roast the garlic and herbs with the juicy, vibrant tomatoes and the tender, crisp zucchini with the sweet, creamy onion, you really create this beautiful combination of flavors that really satisfy your taste bud, but also provide a punch of anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, and gut health properties. So it's a really winning combination of healthy, easy, and delicious. So please make sure to check out this recipe to enjoy a dish that's really going to help maximize your dose of cancer-fighting lycopene from a combination of truly tasty ingredients. I promise it will not disappoint.